Good morning. Hiya, back on home soil again, as in back in Scotland, second home. And today I thought I'd do a painting looking down on a plant. And I'm glad to. Oh, I could have forgot the microphone. I think I'm just going to keep rolling and speak here. Okay, good. Yeah, so today I'm going to look down on this plant. I think it's the Osteospermum. It's a bright purple. It's kind of cheered me up a bit. Just dropped Lily and Aaron to school. It's Lily's birthday today, she's 13. And so I agreed to drop them to school, and now I'm back and kind of feeling a bit sluggish starting the day. But since I've decided to do this painting of flowers, I've livened up a bit. And I'm probably still a bit tired because the night before last I didn't sleep. I drove back from Ireland, and so last night I had a great sleep. But I'm going to take it easy today now before going to the blessed dentist. I've got to get a filling done at 11:10, a filling replaced. Okay. Right, so I hope you can see what I'm doing there. I've put the Osteospermum down low, so for a change I'm looking down on the flowers. And I've gathered some materials together here so that I can do something fairly swiftly that's a bit more dynamic than the recent days. I know there's been very little happening really. Oh, where's the glue over there? Okay, here we are. Right. So I thought I'd start with some of Veronica's National Geographic. Thanks, Veronica. Still going strong. We've still got a pile of the National Geographic paper. Yeah, I think maybe this green is a better colour. Oh dear, okay. And I'm going to stick it kind of at the edges, just to lay something down that's kind of representative of the foliage. Now, what'll I do next? Maybe I'll spray some of that green on if it works. There we are. And I could use the sponge because that's not going to dry you quickly. This is where you begin to kind of engage your inner child now, and you start actually feeling excited about it and coming into the present moment again. Maybe the oil pastel. And what about some paint? Let's say paint here. That's a quick one to. And I put some blue into it because I don't want it to be quite so bright. Okay. And there's lighter green leaves up there, which I don't have yellow on my palette now, so I just stick some yellow oil pastel in to kind of explain that the sun is hitting these leaves that are up there a bit more. No, not sun, but the light. Okay. So just getting something of the backdrop for the flowers. And now I've torn out bits of just bits of the yoga magazine, and actually they're not really colour I'm after, so I've also got some oil pastels ready. And what I thought I could also do is use some white photocopying paper. It'd be nice to have ink and a stick. I have the ink here, but it's watered down ink. I don't know if that's going to really work. Use the back of the paintbrush to see if I could draw. It's not too bad. I thought it would be much lighter. Well, it is quite light, but you know, it's not too bad. So, just to draw the shape of some of these flowers. This is Indian ink. Even just to find the location of them so that I can know where to put the collage on the oil pastels after. It's nice when shooting off there, then I'm going to just make it fit into the composition. That little pod there is nice. Okay. What else now could I explain these? That's great. I started saying that then I got some pens for Lily for her birthday. I thought I could just colour some paper in order to explain the really bright petals and tear it and stick it on. Kind of pinky. Osteospermum, yeah, that's it, isn't it? More that colour. Okay. probably some of that plain as well, so that I can tear and stick that on. Gosh, these are expensive pens, and you know they're kind of running out already. You haven't even used them properly, really. Well, they worked out about 30 pence each. I suppose in the end they're not expensive. You know, £8 for the full pack. Okay, so I quite like using photocopying paper for collage, when you can make the colour really fresh, and then when you stick it on, the petals read as though they're really standing out in the light because of the brightness and the slight relief of the paper as it's stuck on. I'm going to take that off, I think. Can I? Maybe put it here instead for that one in the middle, because I think the one on the left needs to be more dynamic. Yeah, I'll put that there because that perfectly describes that one. And over there can be a bit brighter, perhaps. And put some light on here. Okay, maybe I'll use the oil pastel to make the shape of this one, and then I can put the light on it. So depending on the material that's underneath, it's the oil pastel is taking in some parts, and in other parts it's not. In other parts it's resisting what's underneath. So there's something in the centre there that's quite dark. So I'm tearing through to the other side under the green, and I kind of like that. This is just compressed charcoal I found in the oil pastel box, and that's going to work to make more of the clear. Okay, I've got about a minute. That's going to work to make more of the clear line after for the for the shape where the where the Indian ink was a little bit too runny and too thin. The compressed charcoal is working for me a bit more. Alright, dark in the middle there again. I've actually got some greens, I think, have I? Just to kind of work up around